Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, starting at number 1. Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro is one of the best 3D printers under $500 you can choose. Tailored to meet the needs of beginners and create a fun, STEM educational experience, this printer is easy to use and install. It serves as an upgrade to the already popular line of Ender printers. The Ender 3 is more reliable, comes with a name brand power supply, and features a huge surface area that allows you to bring your creativity to life. It comes equipped with some improved mechanical properties such as better bearing wheels to help reduce friction and stiffness and some broad rubber feet to minimize the noise level. It's designed with a removable magnetic surface plate that ensures all-around protection while providing the entire build surface with a consistent temperature. And since the surface plate can be removed, users will be able to remove their print jobs with ease. Additionally, the Ender 3 Pro features a new Y-axis design as well as a resume print function that can be quite beneficial in the event of power outages. While this 3D printer is a semi-assembled machine, installing and assembling the parts isn't a difficult task. If you're looking for a budget 3D printer under the $500 price tag, the Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro is one of the best products you can choose. Number 2. Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D Printer. When it comes to budget DLP printers, there are many different options to choose from. However, many of them don't come close to the Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D printer in terms of features and overall appeal. Sitting within the $300 price range, this budget 3D printer is reliable, affordable, and ideal for those looking for DLP/SLA desktop 3D printing. It's no longer news that resin printers offer the most reliable print quality, but this 3D printer makes it clear that even budget printers can create noteworthy prints. While there's a learning curve here for beginners and those who haven't used an SLA/DLP printer before, the clear documentation, online resources, and helpful community associated with this machine will help you overcome this issue easily. That being said, Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D printer does come with its downsides, too. The build volume is pretty small, though it comes with enough space to create most projects. You'll also have to worry about some of the common problems associated with resin 3D printers, including material handling, post-processing, sticky resin, and so on. Affordable and capable of producing high-resolution prints, this 3D printer is still one of the most ideal printers for beginners who are looking to delve into resin 3D printing. Number 3. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2. The Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2 is another incredibly low-cost printer you're bound to love. With a price tag just a little above $200, this 3D printer comes with a feature set that makes it well worthy of being on our list of top 3D printers under $500. This is a hackable piece of gear, which means that you can pop it open and make your own upgrades. The Select Mini produces well-made prints that are comparable to what you get on many more expensive printers. It comes with a 120 by 120 by 120 mm build volume, a 55 mm per second printing speed, and a heated build plate. This 3D printer is also compatible with many slicing software such as Cura, Simplify 3D, and Replicator G. Its standard 1.75 mm spool uses both ABS and PLA filament, and models can be loaded via a USB or microSD port. The Monoprice Select Mini, however, comes with its own downsides. It tends to run at unstable temperatures when the hot end is in use. What's more, the calibration process isn't particularly straightforward and the power brick isn't high quality. Additionally, the machine tends to fail when it's run at incredibly high speeds, and the Wi-Fi connectivity has been known to drop out for no apparent reason. However, given the fact that it features a low price tag and churns out reliable and consistent prints once it's up and running, this machine is sure to be one that you'll much sooner love than hate. Number 4. Creality Open Source CR10 3D Printer. The Creality Open Source CR10 3D Printer is a large Cartesian-style printer with a build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm. It comes with Go Faster stripes, a separate control box, and is very easy to assemble. Sitting at the $400 price point, this budget 3D printer offers more build size than many other printers in its price range. It's compatible with many standard slicing software and allows you to make huge prints easily. You get a full frame that allows for more stabilization, and thanks to the fact that the control box is separate from the machine, the heat bed won't overheat your control board. The Creality open source CR10 3D printer also eats up filaments easily. It handles TPU and PLAs quite well with only a little bit of spool tangling on the PLA side. This machine also produces modest prints for a semi-assembled machine, but with the right tweaks, you're sure to get awesome results. It's hackable and can be modded with different parts to produce better printing results. This machine has its downsides, though. For instance, it doesn't seem to do well with materials that require consistent temperatures, such as ABS, and the print bed also takes time to get heated up. However, putting these annoyances aside, this 3D printer could easily become your daily driver. Number 5. Anycubic Mega S New 3D Printer. The Anycubic Mega S New 3D Printer is a cheap 3D printer that offers an incredible print quality at a low price point. Serving as an upgrade to the i3 Mega, this machine comes with many enhancements that make it a worthy contender on this list of best 3D printers under $500. It comes with the same design and sturdy all-metal frame that the i3 is known for. Both the design and frame play an important part in helping it produce great quality prints. Unlike the i3, though, the Mega S has its name inscribed on its face. The huge base is home to a full-color touchscreen and a robotic mascot that looks like Iron Man. Featuring a build volume of 210 by 210 by 205 mm, this cheap 3D printer starts the first layer of each print on the popular Anycubic Ultra Base heated bed, ensuring that the print remains on the bed and comes off easily when the job is done. The Anycubic Mega S New 3D printer comes semi-assembled, which makes it a great option for creators and beginners who aren't looking to build their machine from scratch. Sitting around the $300 price point, this machine comes with some new upgrades that aren't featured on the i3, such as filament runout detection and power loss recovery. It also features a spool holder suspended on the side of the machine as well as a new filament sensor placement that helps enhance usability. The extruder is now compatible with materials like TPU and users can now enjoy Wi-Fi connectivity as well as automatic calibration. If you're a beginner who doesn't want to mount a spool holder or filament sensor, or an intermediate creator looking to experiment with flexible materials like TPU, the Mega S is one of the most ideal 3D printers you can buy for the price. Number 6. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. Monoprice is one of the largest players in the budget 3D printing industry. They provide some of the market's top printers, including the Monoprice Select Mini further up in our review. The brand tends to focus on two main factors when making their products: usability and affordability. These two factors apply to both the Voxel and the Select Mini printers, which is why they are some of our top picks for the best 3D printer under $500. Endowed with Wi-Fi connectivity, the Monoprice Voxel features an intuitive LCD screen and a simple installation process that allows it to get up and running in minutes. Although this machine shares many similarities with the FlashForge Adventurer 3, it manages to stand out and differentiate itself from other cheap printers on the market. The Monoprice Voxel comes with a 150 by 150 by 150 mm build volume, which is ideal for creating moderately sized prints. The build plate is flexible and allows you to remove your prints without using any sharp tools. You get built-in LEDs that illuminate the inside, and the clear plastic sides allow you to see what your machine is up to. The Voxel also comes with a built-in camera that allows you to remotely monitor your printing process via a cloud app known as the Polar Cloud. Configuration and usage are easy thanks to the touchscreen and the FlashPrint MP software. The only con with this device is that it doesn't support the standard G-code out of the box. You can work around this by using popular options like Slick 3R or Cora, but they aren't officially supported and the FlashPrint MP software is limited in functionality.